Hi there, it's Trisha, and I wanted to go over the trades that we took today. I used two setups, one off a longer tick chart and one off a smaller tick chart, using 3 charts with confirmation of indicators before ever taking a trade. High probability trades for sure, conservative way to trade, but that's how I choose to trade and it works for me. You can check those out at www.easyeMinitrade.com. First trade that I took today was at 9:53. All of our charts were in alignment with indicators. We have price going sideways, our indicator moving higher, which that is going to usually signify that the price is going to follow the indicator. So when we had our long setup, we could actually take that trade. So I hit a market order, got filled over here at 841 3/4, and I start out with my 2-point stop and use my trail stop method for exit. So I don't use the pivot highs and low indicator on Sierra charts because I haven't found anything that I like in Sierra yet, so I just eyeball it. So with that said, got in over here, moved my stop to here, move my stop to here, move my stop to here, and got stopped out over here at 8:45 for a gain of 3 1/4. Next trade that I took was at 1:37 thereabouts. That's what time it's set up. We have our scalp indicator setting up here, right where our vertical line is, same as on the last chart. Where the vertical line is, that always represents the bar that is setting up for entry. Right where we're getting our blue dot, right under that bar. That's our first blue dot. So we have our indicator going down, price going sideways. That's divergence. So when the short sets up, we can take that because now we're in a downtrend. Also, if you look at our longer tick chart or our minute chart, price has retraced back through that 50% mark from our high to the day of that point to the low of the day of that point. So it's gone halfway past that mark. So now it's in a downtrend. So I took this short at 837 3/4. Actually got filled over here. Use my trail stop method for my stop after my 2 points. I move it, trail stop here, 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 and I actually got stopped out over here for +8. I'm sorry, at 829 3/4 for a gain of 8. Again, like I said, I don't have the pivot high and low indicator that I like on Sierra, but you can see it's very easy to see where that point would be. So you know, it's easy for me to see where that is, so I have no problem taking that. I wanted to go over the trend indicator, and we had some excessive readings today of over 50, and I had a couple questions. I'm wondering if it's okay to take a trade if it sets up during that time frame. Realistically, as long as it's moving higher, it's okay to take a trade that sets up, but when it starts going sideways, even though it's well over 20, it's realistically the price is going to go sideways as well. So this indicator does not dictate direction, higher or lower. It is just going to dictate whether there is a trend or not. So realistically, when you are going sideways, even at such excessive readings, usually it's going to start dropping again back down to 20. Now, if it were, let's say, like around 30 or thereabouts, and it started to go down, and I had everything in alignment for an entry, I probably would take it. Because it's not excessive readings. But again, being at 50 and starting down, I would not take that trade or take the trade while it's going sideways. So anyway, those are the 2 trades that I took today. 2 scalp trades, one gain at 3 1/4, the other at 8 for a total of 11 1/4. And check those out at www.easyeMinitrade.com.